Hi, I am Dr. Nilesh Kapadia, a family physician working since 1981 as a family doctor and treating lot of patients. And since then, I got the allergy problem, but I am not aware of that as I am getting repeated attacks of the allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, and sneezing all the way. I am taking treatment by my own. Then I got investigated in later years and found that I am a patient of severe allergic rhinitis. Long back in 1978 first, that is, I have been diagnosed by doctor that you have a DNS, that is deviated nasal septum, and you are getting repeated attacks of the common cold or allergic rhinitis. So he operated me on that year, but I didn't get any relief of that operation. Then I have started my practice in 1981. Since then I am not get rid of this allergy, but somehow I pull on with the use of antihistaminic, sometimes with the use of antibiotics, and sometimes with bronchodilators. But the problem goes on and increasing in severity. So ultimately it ends up in the production of the nasal polyposis in 2002. The attack of polyposis was so severe that I couldn't able to sleep in night and day, and I have to awake all the day, and I reduced my weight by 5 kg during this period. So I get attended by the ENT surgeon. He advised me to go for the polypectomy. I did it and I get relief after polypectomy, but to avoid the recurrence he used lot of steroids on me, that is up to 2 years. Now see the change of my life, that repeated steroid implementations leads to avascular necrosis disease. This is very tricky, very troublesome problem of my hip joint. I couldn't able to walk, I couldn't able to go even to my bathroom. So this is the first complications of the long-term steroid, but the culprit is allergy, because you can understand the allergy leads to polyposis, leads to steroid implementations, and that leads to avascular necrosis. This is the problem, first complication I got in 2005 because of long-term use of the steroid. See, the problem of AVN I got in 2005. Every orthopedic surgeon suggests me that you have to go for the total hip replacement. I ignore it, I didn't go for that, but I search out what is the basic problem that I got AVN, and that is allergy. So I just suggest everybody to this point that don't ignore a little problem of allergy, because you can understand to listen me that my allergy problem leads to the major complications like AVN, and so please don't ignore the allergy and immediately treat your allergy according to the schedule of anti-allergic clinic. The bad days are still going on. Somehow I managed to cure from the AVN. That is a different story, but the allergy problem still continues. I subside it with the help of the antihistaminic and anti-allergic drugs till 2007. I again got the problem of polyposis. Again I go for the polypectomy in 2007, and then I am tired of these things, and immediately the sun shines at me, and somebody has advised me to go to Dr. Rajesh Bhai's clinic, who is the true and specific person who has dealt with the allergy in a very wide way. So I visited Dr. Rajesh Bhai in 2008. He advised me to go for the specific skin prick test. Lot of tests I have done in allergy clinic, but nobody precisely has told me that this is the proper allergy which has produced the problem in your life. With the skin prick test, I think it is the best, cheapest and rapid most test, and very specific test that leads to the diagnosis of the allergy, and I have got the test done by the Rajesh Bhai in 2008, and he detected the 5 types of allergy severely because of house dust, the mites and the pollens and the fungals which are usually found on the wall during the rainy seasons. So he advised to take the vaccinations at least for 1.5 years with the increasing order, and I took the treatment for 2 years, but with the single dose of 1 vial I start tremendous relief within 1 month. But to get rid of totally, I continue the treatment for 2 years, and now I am very healthy, very nice, and there was no sneezing, no rhinitis, no sinusitis since then, that is since 2008, and this is 2014. Now you can understand what is the benefit of skin prick test, what is the meaning to detect the allergy in early stage, so we can avoid such long problem or lot of complications that I met. The gift of the allergy is polyposis to me, and second is the avascular necrosis that has ruined my life. But now I am very fine, very healthy, and I can do at least 30 kilometers per day cycling. He is knowing me. Every Sunday I used to do 70 kilometers of cycling without any problem, no chest pain, no problem in the nose, and still I am regularly checking my nose and there is no sign of developing any polyp. And this is the gift from Rajesh Bhai to me by creating such wonderful diagnosis and wonderful treatment. So I advise everybody first not to ignore the allergy, not to go to the specific doctor. Lot of doctors are available who works on allergy, but I don't find they are too specific because they don't do skin prick test. So skin prick test is the must, and to detect the proper diagnosis, to detect the proper allergens, only the skin prick test is the thing. So you should go with the slightest allergy, because allergy, if you continues in your life, it produces asthma, bronchitis, lot of respiratory problems, and it will definitely ruin your life. So thank you very much to listen me, and just I am guiding you meet a proper person, that is Dr. Rajesh Bhai. I advise also to meet first him, rule out your allergic problem, rule out your allergens that produces the problem, and then go for the specific treatment. Thank you very much.